Hi guys, welcome back to my garden. Now this is just a quick recap on what's going on in my greenhouse. I've been doing a bit of work here and we'll go in the door, and firstly you can see a grapevine that I've got. Doesn't seem to fruit very well, but I quite like it anyway. Anyway, moving on, I've been planting out my tomatoes, which are doing quite well now, and this year I put them in tubs rather than grow bags. This one here is Marmande, which is a French variety. Sounds French, doesn't it? And it's a very big, beefy tomato, if you like. They always do quite well, grow them every year. Here's an Alicante from Spain. Seems to have tomatoes from everywhere, really. And this one's Mr. Stripey. I like those. They're tasty, they look good, they look different, and yeah, so I've grown a few of those. There's another Alicante there, coming on quite well, followed by Mr. Stripey, and over in the corner, just coming up now, Slugs are having a feast. It's a canna, starting to come up. They'll grow quite fast now. And there I have some bromeliad cuttings, I suppose you call them cuttings, bits, shoots that come out of the side. Then moving on up, we've got some wild rocket in a pot. We've got some good tomatoes there that need potting on, really. More tomatoes, an agave. Anyway, we'll go back. And these here are called Desert Rose. I think they're quite healthy. They don't look healthy, but you can see that they're healthy by the size of the stems. I'm hoping they're going to flower this year. And then we go across the top. Cactus. More tomatoes that need potting on. Here we have castor oil plant. A lot of things can go out now because, I mean, it's coming to the end of May. Hopefully we won't get any frost now. Then we go back down the bottom there. Another Alicante. Some lettuces coming on. Here we have a sunflower. So I've got to find somewhere to put that outside, that's for sure. Castor oil plant, agave, pepper, black plum tomato. Now that is doing really well. Then another Mr. Stripey, and there I've got a butternut squash just coming on. And then we come back up the top, and we've got a few herbs. There we go, coriander, parsley. And that's about it, really. It's all coming on quite nicely, and as soon as I can move these plants off out of it, it will let more sunlight down into these tomatoes that I planted out. And of course, pretty soon they can need some sticks to support them. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you all again next time, so bye for now.